Hey guys, welcome back. So today I have a somewhat of a different video. I'm going to be doing an unboxing. I teamed up with ZALIK again to share with you guys this multifunctional kitchen tool. So I'm just going to go through all of the parts for you guys and show you how to use it in this video. So you have your transparent container where all of your food will collect, and this is the lid for it. And then you have a 2-blade insert holders to use depending on what you plan to like chop or slice. And it also comes with a holder to store all of your slicers, and you also get a variety of choppers that also comes with a holder, so that's really nice. Now you have this small brush for getting out extra food inside of your dental plate, and then you have your lemon squeeze, you have your egg separator and a slicer. And this safety holder device is to use when you're like slicing a potato and you get to the end of it. You want to attach it to this holder so that you can use it instead of slicing your finger because you're too close to the blade. So that really comes in handy. It's perfect to have. So those are all of the parts. Now using it is very easy to do. You can switch out the lid depending on which vegetable slicer or chopper you plan to use. You just pop it right out. Now if you plan to use any of the small slicers and like the grater, you will use this blade insert holder, and it has a positive and negative on it so that you know which way to insert your slicer. So that's a really good thing. And like I said, you have different ways to slice it. And if you plan to do any chopping, like you want to do small cubes or big cubes, long slices, like if you're chopping up potatoes or something, then you will use this holder and you just pop that one in as well. Now you do want to wash your parts before using, and you can just use some soap and water. It's recommended that you use a brush for the blades because you do not want to cut yourself. These blades are really sharp. Now I really love how many different attachments you can use with this. This is great for making breakfast. Like you have the slicer. I've never sliced my boiled eggs before, so this was really fun to do, and it slices so well. Do you guys see how nice these slices are? I really love this. You can definitely get creative with your meal prepping. And you have your egg separator, so if you want to just do egg whites for breakfast, this is a really great attachment and it works really well. So this is really great to have. It definitely speeds up your meal prepping time. So if you like to meal prep for the week, you can go ahead and just slice up all of your vegetables, store it in the fridge, and yeah, the container is really big to hold a lot of food, and it's multifunctional, so you can definitely use it no matter what meal you're prepping, breakfast, lunch, dinner, just a snack. There's an attachment to use for it. So yeah, I really love this device. I recommend it. I see myself using it a lot, and I can just go ahead and prep meals and like get all of my vegetables, onions, carrots, anything that I need to chop up. I can just prep it and have it ready when it's time to cook dinner. So if you want to get your hands on it, I will have the link for it in the description box, so definitely go and check it out. You can find it on Amazon. So yeah, I just wanted to do an unboxing on this product, guys, to show you all of the parts and you know basically how to use it. And I really do hope you enjoyed watching. If you're not subscribed already, I would love it if you'll do so. That'll be so awesome. And I do want to give a big thanks to ZALIK for collaborating with me on this video and sharing this amazing product with you guys.